Have you ever experienced a moment where something is happening, and suddenly you feel, this has already happened before, but not here, somewhere else, in some other place? Like you've lived this moment in another life, in another world. What if your memories are not wrong? What if they belong to a slightly different universe, where events happen differently? Stay with me, because today we are talking about something mysterious, fascinating, and mind-blowing. The Mandela Effect. We usually think that when we remember something incorrectly, it's just a mistake. But what if it's more than that? What if our world is not fixed? Small changes in logos, spellings, famous quotes, or events could be signs of timeline shifts. Maybe our memories come from another timeline, a timeline where things happened just a little differently. This phenomenon is called the Mandela Effect. It happens when large groups of people remember the same thing incorrectly. The most famous example is, many people believed that Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s, but in reality, he passed away in 2013. So the question is, how can millions of people remember the same wrong thing? Is it just coincidence or something deeper? Some people believe the Mandela Effect is proof of parallel universes. According to this idea, many versions of the universe exist at the same time. Each universe is slightly different, and sometimes our consciousness shifts between them without us even realizing it. That means you might have lived in another timeline before, and now you are here. Now let's talk about science. According to scientists, the Mandela Effect happens because of false memory brain shortcuts, social influence. Our brain sometimes changes memories without us noticing. When we hear something again and again, our mind accepts it as truth, even if it's wrong. So right now, there is no confirmed scientific proof that parallel universes cause the Mandela Effect. But imagine if one day science proves that the Mandela Effect is real evidence of parallel universes. It would change everything. It would mean we are not living in one reality. We are living in one of many. And somewhere out there, another version of you might be watching this same video in another world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Tell me, have you ever experienced something like this? Until next time, stay curious, stay questioning, and keep exploring the mysteries of reality.